To make your pizza dough, you will be needing these ingredients: 5 cups of bread flour or all-purpose flour, 1.5 packet of instant yeast, half tablespoon of salt and sugar, some warm water, and a half cup of olive oil. Once you have all of your ingredients, mix them all together by hand or a mixer. Once you have formed a dough, place it in a greased mixing bowl and cover it tightly and set it aside in a warm place for a couple of hours until the dough has risen double in size. Once your pizza dough has doubled in size, punch it down to release all the air bubbles, and then divide it into 5 parts.